I'm going to be making one of my absolute favorite holiday soaps today. This is my Rudolph soap, and it's going to be a super cute soap. It'll have 2 different colors of brown. The fragrance I'm using does discolor, but I'm using cocoa powder in the bottom, and then I have these super cute glycerin embeds that's going to be the nose, and then I have a stamp that will be the eyelashes, and I'll paint those in once they have set up a little bit. So the fragrance, I absolutely love it. It's a comforting mix of kind of fruit and spice. It's got apple, berry, fir, lemon, cinnamon, clove, and cedarwood. I just absolutely love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start making this. I'm gonna do the bottom layer, let it set up just a tad, and then add in the little noses and then pour on the top layer. I'm going to be using my goat's milk soap today for this. I will be pouring off about 10 ounces to use in some other holiday little individual soaps, because that will counteract the 10 ounces from this. So let's go ahead and get started.